Today, I'll walk you through how to find your Snapchat following list, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your following list so you can easily see who you're connected with on the platform. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat application on your device. This is where all the magic happens. Your camera screen will be the starting point for our journey. Once you're on the camera screen, look for the Stories option. This is typically located at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on Stories will take you to a new section where you can view the stories from your friends and other users. It's like opening a window to see what everyone is up to, so go ahead and tap that option. Now here, where it gets a bit more specific. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three dots. This is your gateway to more options. Click on those three dots and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates its interface from time to time, but the core functionality remains the same. After clicking the three dots, you'll be presented with a menu that includes various options related to your stories and friends. Look for the option that allows you to view your followers or following list. This is where you can see all the accounts you're connected with on Snapchat. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Snapchat to find your following list. Remember, this process is similar to checking your friends list on other social media platforms. It's all about staying connected. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.